Welcome to Six Sigma Online Certifications. We are on the topic Improve Phase, Improvement Techniques, Part 2. In this video, we will discuss about cost-benefit analysis, which will include understanding costs involved, the tangible and intangible benefits, the return on investment, which will include payback period, NPV, and IRR. First, for the cost-benefit analysis, we'll understand what are the costs involved. The costs involved can be of two types, recurring and non-recurring. The recurring costs are the costs which will continue to occur to the organization on perpetual basis and will continue even after the projects. Whereas non-recurring costs are the ones which occur one time and then it is not required in the future. Let us take some examples. The recurring cost can be if we modify machine or add some hardware or software which requires regular maintenance. So maintenance is a recurring cost. Additional manpower is a recurring cost. If we consume little more raw material, it is increased cost and therefore it is a recurring cost. If we consume more utility like power, steam and water, it is additional cost which is recurring in nature. Or now these days the data and communication cost which is also recurring as we have to pay on monthly basis. The non-recurring cost can be if we buy a computer or hardware or we modify the machines. Modification cost is a one-time cost. Additional instruments or control mechanisms, any trials that we do or any detailed engineering that we need to do or external expertise, all the costs involved in this area are called as non-recurring or one-time cost. We need to consider both while we are assessing the benefits of the project. Now we'll discuss about the benefits expected. It can be both tangible and intangible benefits. Tangible benefits are the ones which can be immediately converted into monetary terms and can be assessed in terms of the benefit. Whereas intangible benefits, while are beneficial to the organization, cannot be converted into monetary terms immediately. So some of the examples of tangible benefits are increase in production, sales, or improvement in quality like reduction in defects, scrap, rework, or maybe reduce consumption of raw material, utility, manpower, reduce manpower effort, that means less requirement of manpower, avoidance of investment, we had scheduled some investments which are not needed now, or avoidance of some repairs, failures, accidents, errors, or reduced warranty costs. All these are tangible benefits which can be measured and can be converted into monetary terms. Whereas the intangible benefits are like customer satisfaction, your brand image, employee motivation and involvement has increased, user convenience has increased, increased compliances and therefore reduced number of NCs in customer audits, or company knowledge equity for future projects and therefore future projects are going to happen faster, is difficult to quantify in terms of money. Usually in Six Sigma context, the intangible benefits are called as soft savings for the project. Now we'll understand what is return, how to calculate return on investment. One of the very popular method is payback period, and payback period is the time it takes to repay the investment made in the project. NPV is net present value. We see all the cash outflows and inflows and see what is the present value and see what is the difference between the present values based on the rate of interest. IRR is internal rate of return used for capital budgeting to measure and compare the profitability of investment. As we will like to understand minimum payback period in this video. So what is payback period? For example, let us try to understand with an example that in the project we invested 100,000 INR. You can also read INR as USD because USD is a more known currency in the world. Total investment avoided is 28,000. The recurring savings, that means we are going to save 10,000 per month because of this project, and recurring costs are 2,000 per month. So how do we calculate payback period? A minus B divided by C minus D. So 100,000 minus 28,000 divided by 10,000 minus 2,000. So 72,000 by 8,000 gives me 9 months will take to recover the total cost. After that, the money will start coming to the organization. Thank you very much for testing your knowledge on this video, or for Six Sigma certifications, visit leandigit.com. For more information on the same topic, please subscribe our channel.